Stop listing your job responsibilities on your CV. Employers are not interested in your responsibilities. They are interested in your achievements. Employers don't care whether you are responsible for answering phone calls, emails, or responsible for managing a team. What they really want to see is what did you do with that responsibility. Instead of saying responsible for customer service, why don't you say resolved over 200 customer issues monthly, improving customer satisfaction over whatever percentage you want to put them. You can actually quantify it depending on the previous data you have or the previous situation. Do not lie on your CV. Again, instead of saying responsible for managing companies' social media, why don't you say grew companies' Facebook followers from 10K to 100K through an engaging content? You know what? Just pause the video and check this out. Do you see the difference? You need to rewrite your CV now. And if you need help fixing your CV, do well to send us an email or DM us. And if you have any question, drop them in the comment section.